I was stunned to learn that back in 1950, over 20 million children under the age of 5 would die. By the year 2000, it'd been cut in half. So it was about 9.7 million, about 10% of the children who were born. Since the year 2000, there's been unbelievable progress. We're now down to under 5 million. Of course, we'd like to get that down to be even lower. So what are those deaths? What's going on there? Overwhelmingly, it's infectious diseases, diarrhea, pneumonia, malaria. We can see here that non-communicable, that'd be things like cancer, 14%, injuries like a car crash, 4%, but infectious disease, 82%. And of course, almost all of this is preventable disease. It's in poor countries where you simply don't have the same health, nutrition that the rich world takes for granted. You might ask, how have we brought child to death down, and how can we bring it down in the future? Creating new vaccines and making sure that vaccines get out to all the children in the world. We can make sure that you actually have good sanitation, toilets, ability to wash your hands. We need much better tools, much better systems to help kids in that very first week. A birth attendant, even monitoring the baby's temperature, having the mother hold the baby to make sure it stays warm. Kind of training and early diagnosis is very important. So the world has made incredible progress in saving children's lives. And I'm confident that we'll see far more children celebrate their 5th birthday in the years ahead.